Ever feel like you are always working but still broke? You are not alone, and it's not just about your salary. Here are the 5 real reasons why many Indians stay broke, and how to fix it. We learn algebra in school, but not how to budget or invest. That's why people fall for scams, overspend, or avoid investments altogether. Fix it. Follow personal finance content like this one weekly. Knowledge pays off. Log kya kahenge leads to expensive weddings, EMIs for iPhones, and showing off on Instagram. Fix it. Focus on your goals, not your neighbors' opinions. One illness, job loss, or repair wipes out savings. Fix it. Save at least 3 to 6 months' expenses. Even 500 rupees per month is a good start. Keeping all your money in a savings account won't beat inflation. Fix it. Start with SIPs, PPF, or even FD plus mutual fund combo. Start small, grow big. Most people only plan till next month, not next year. Fix it. Set long-term financial goals, house, retirement, freedom from job stress. Staying broke isn't about bad luck, it's about bad money habits. But the fix is simple, one good decision at a time. Like this if you've faced any of these struggles. And subscribe to Save Smart India, your weekly dose of financial freedom.